kids. I hope you all are doing well. This is Mahima Budwani, your general knowledge teacher. So kids, in our today's class, we will be starting new lesson number 12, Safety First, in which we will study about different safety rules which we should follow to avoid any accident.
Kids, do not light a matchstick as it can burn your finger or other things around you. The second is never play with fire as it can be very dangerous. The third one is do not play with a knife or blade or any other sharp object because it can cut your finger. Never rush down the stairs. Always walk slow. Kids, make sure when you are climbing up or coming down of the stairs, you need not to rush. Always go slow and don't push anybody else also, or else you might fall from the stairs. Do not throw your toys here and there. Kids, after playing with your toys, never leave them scattered on the floor. Always keep them in the toy box as someone can trip over them. Do not touch open sockets, plugs, electric wires and switches with wet hands. Kids, when your hands are wet, never touch any open sockets, plugs, electric wires and switches as you can get an electric shock. Always touch these things with dry hands. Kids, do not touch hot things like iron, oven or heaters as you can burn yourself. Always keep a first aid box at your home for emergency. You can use it for small injuries. When a person is hurt, he or she needs immediate help. The first help provided to an injured person is called first aid. The box containing all sorts of materials for providing first aid is known as first aid box. A first aid box normally contains cotton, antiseptic cream, Savlon or Dettol for cleaning wounds, a pair of scissors, bandages, doctor's tape and few common doctor's prescribed medicines. Now kids, we will do written work. Take out your GK notebook and before starting the work, make sure your pencil and red and blue pencil should be sharpened. On the first line, on the left side of the margin, we will write down today's date, that is 19th of February 2021. On the same line, on the right side, we will write down classwork. In classwork, C and W will be capital. On the first line, we will write down chapter number 12 in block letters. On the third line, we will write down the chapter's name, that is Safety First. SAFETY, safety, FIRST, first. Write it down in block letters as well. Now underline these two with blue color pencil with scale. Write down question number 1, write true or false. So in our today's class, we will be doing true false. The first part is we should touch electric switches with wet hands. So tell me kids whether this statement is true or false. Should we touch electric switches with wet hands? No, we should never touch electric switches with wet hands. We have to touch them with dry hands. So we will write down false here. Now you have to write down the whole spelling. No one will write T or F. You have to write down the whole spelling. So we will write down FALSE, false. No one will write F. The second part is we should never leave our toys scattered on the floor after playing. Yes, it is true. We should never leave our toys scattered on the floor after playing. We should keep them in the toy box as someone may trip over them. The third part is we should play with matchsticks. Yes, kids, tell me, should we play with matchsticks? No, false. We should never play with matchsticks as we can burn ourselves and things around us. So we will write down FALSE, false. The last and the fourth part is the box containing all materials for providing first aid is known as first aid box. We will write down true. So now kids, it's time for today's current affairs. Write down the heading current affairs. The question number 1 is, which is the first state in India to set up the fire park for bringing awareness on basic fire safety measures? And the answer is Odisha. Odisha, Odisha. Odisha is the first state in India to set up the fire park, and the whole purpose was to bring awareness on basic fire safety measures among the people.
So that's all for today. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. Thank you.